Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tanya to Guide. So in this video, you can learn about Scratch Junior. So basically Scratch Junior is a tool where we can create adventures, stories, animations. This is basically where coding is being implemented. That means how do we give instructions to a computer? You know, based on our instructions, how does it perform the task given by a user? Everything can be done in Scratch, and also there is one more updated one, that is Scratch 3. It is a little advanced one. Now, children of grade 1, 2, 3 can use the Scratch Junior, or they can even learn Scratch also. So now see here, first, there is a by default character which is available in the Scratch Junior, that is tick. So if you want to remove this tick, just long press on it, hold, release. So you can delete it. Now there are two plus symbols. One is on the right side and the other one is on the left side. Now, if you wanted to select the character, you can use the left-sided one. I'm just selecting this duck and I want to do little coloring and everything. So just to select the sprite and click on the paintbrush. Now, once you select that, color it, select the color, whatever the color, whichever you want, you can use it. So I'm just showing a random example. You can select any character, but I'm just showing this one. So in this way, you can color it. Now click on the tick one. Now, if you wanted to remove this tick again, just remove it. Now, on the left side, you have seen the character. Now, one more character I wanted to add, that is a fairy. Okay, now click on the sprite. You can even call it as character or sprite, and I want to change the color of the dress. Now, click on the tick mark. Now, see here, on the right side, you can see the slides. So, here, you can select the background. Now, come here, beside A, B, C, you can see the animation part and everything. So this is basically a backdrop, or we can even say it as a stage also. There are only few of which are available. If you wanted to create your own, you can even create by using a blank page. See, right now it got colorful, right? Now just click on the plus symbol again. Delete the tick. Now click on the background. Now select the coloring. Now, if you wanted to add a plain color and everything, you can color it. And if you wanted to draw any shapes, painting and everything, you can even do in that way too. Now, for each and every slide, whenever you add, there are some characters. Okay, for the slide one, you can see that there are two characters. Now, for slide two, there are no characters which have been selected right now. So, in such a way, based on your concept, your creativity, you can select the sprites. So, this is a very basic part. Let me just revise once again. That is, Scratch Junior is basically a tool where we can create animations and adventures where coding is being involved. Now, after selecting the background and also the sprite or the character, now we have to give the commands. The meaning of command is nothing but we are going to give instructions to the Scratch Junior. Now, first one is yellow colored block. We can say it as events block. Now, the blue colored block is called directions block. This purple one is looks block. Next one is sound block. Next, controls block. Then stop block or end block, we can say. Now, see here, whenever you click on the events block, just tap on the blocks, individual block, you can see what is the purpose of it. In this class, I'm going to show you how to use the green flag. Just click on this start on green flag. Now come to the directions block, select any direction. Even here, if you tap on the block, you can see in which direction the character will move. Now, the character will move. The duck will be moving first to the right. Now next here, I'm just selecting the left and I'm changing the directions, number of steps to be moved. Now you may get a question, what is the last step in the Scratch Junior? What if I have given 1000? Yes. So here comes the last number of steps in Scratch Junior is 99. Even if you give 100, even if you try to give 100 also, it doesn't accept. So the last one, the last digit, the last score is 99. Now let me just click on the green flag. See, it keep on moving left side 99 times. Okay. Now just click on the red color block. It is the end block. which means the game will be stopped till there. If you click on the red color one, it will stop it. So similarly, you can create your own animation. Now, if you want to write any text, welcome to Scratch Junior. If you wanted to color it, if you wanted to increase its size, everything, you can increase the size. Okay, there are only fixed number of sizes which are given here. Based on the sizes, just to select the text, change the size accordingly. Now, even if you wanted to color the text also, you can color it. Okay, welcome to Scratch Junior is the text. If you wanted to make it move in a different direction, you can even make it move. Now, the first most important thing after creating the commands is that in which direction the sprite is moving. For suppose here I went to the directions block and I have selected the right. Okay, that is the reason it is moving to the right direction. Now, what if I have given different commands, right, left, up, down, anti-clockwise, clockwise, that means turn right, turn left also. Now see, now I have a question for all. Pause the video for a second and think and let me know the answer. Now let me just click on the green flag. What will happen? In which direction the sprite will move first? Try to answer for yourself. Now the answer here is the sprite will be moving in the upward direction, then it will move to the left side, then up, then again down, then it will turn to the right, and then it will turn to the left. Okay. So you can give the number of steps. Next thing is, if you wanted to convey any message, just go to the looks block, select the message and say here, hello, are you listening? Okay. Hello, are you listening is a command. Now let me just click on the green flag. See, you got a text over here. Hello, are you listening is the message which is displaying on the monitor. Okay. So in this way, you can do the project. Now click on save option. Just to save the project, create a folder on the desktop. This is the easiest way to retrieve your files and easily identify. Okay. So now, once you have created a basic project and you have saved it, now let me just show you how to open that file. Now click on load, go to the download. See, in the downloads, it is having an extension. Just click on open, click on reload. You can see the files. Okay, this is the file which I have saved in a different way. There are different files. Let me just open even that. Yes, here you can see, right? In the beginning, for showing some demos, what I have done is I have just saved the project when it is open. So that is the reason the projects are displaying like that. Okay, usually whenever you click on the save button, it will get downloaded. It will be in your downloads. From there, you can say, you can replay it and you can watch it again. I mean, the what is the final output and everything, you can check it. Now here, one more question most of the children will be having, that is, can we rename the files? Of course, you can rename the files too. Just go to the download folder, just to rename, but don't remove the extension. But suppose for this file, whenever I'm clicking on the load option, there is an extension that is SJR, that means Scratch Junior. So don't remove the extension, but you can rename the file also. So this is for today's class. In further classes, we'll be creating our own blocks. Based on the blocks, we can create some games like tic-tac-toe, maze game. Thank you. I hope this video is so much helpful for all of you. Thank you.